Hello everyone, I am alone and today I am going to Swensen's Café. I have to buy an ice cream cake for my friend's birthday. I live in Pattaya. There are a few Swensen's Café there, but because I live at Jomtien, I'll go to Café in Lotus on Schaefer in south part of Pattaya. Café Swensen's has a lot of various natural ice cream and sorbets there. And usually there are a few varieties of ice cream cakes. All of them are very tasty. I'm recommended. And I hope my present will be like my birthday lady.
Yeah, okay.
ใส่ให้จ้ะใส่ให้อันนี้ได้ให้ดูนะ
Yeah, go on, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ada. Happy birthday.
Thanks for watching. Like my video if it was interesting. Subscribe to my channel. We live in Thailand. We speak Thai. There will be many more interesting things about this place. Bye, guys.